Henry Hertz's discovery of radio waves in 1886 marked a pivotal moment in the history of communications technology. Hertz's journey began with the explorations of Maxwell's theory of electromagnetism, aiming to validate its principles through experimentations by 1886. Hertz had developed a spark gap transmitter and receiver and set up to demonstrate the generation and detections of electromagnetic waves, radio waves. In his experiment, Hertz utilized an introduction coil to produce high, high voltage AC electricity, creating sparks that induce electric current oscillations in copper wires. Well, oscillations are predicted by Maxwell generated electromagnetic waves that propagate through the air with the speed of light. Hertz successfully detected this wave using a copper wire receiver, sparking across its spark gap. As a result of electromagnetic waves impact, despite the groundbreaker achievement, Hertz innately underestimated the possible significance of his discovery. However, his work laid the foundation of future advancement, advancement in wireless communications. Gaglio, Gugliel- Guglielmo Marcini, inspired by Hertz research, patented wireless communication technologies and made history with the first wireless transmissions across the Atlantic Ocean in 1901. The legacy of Hertz's discovery extended be- beyond his time, leading to rapid innovation in the radio technology. Vacuum tubes replied spark transmitters, followed by the advanced transistors, revolutionizing communications device today. Radio waves are integral to various technologies like radio, televisions, mobile photons, radar and satellite communication shipping to the modern world and making hard spinning work an essential component of our daily lives.